build a very simple web page with GitHub, a free tool. Let's sign in. I've already created an account. I'll type in my username and password. And you can either start a project here or do the same thing up here by creating a new repository. It's like a new folder for code. You've got to give it a name. I'm going to call this one Simple Web and just type in a reminder for myself of what it is. It's public by default. I'm initializing it with a README. License is optional, and I'm going to create the repository. So here's my repository. It's just got one file, that README. And I'm going to go over to Settings because I want to do the hosting first. I'm going to make this live on the web. I go down to GitHub Pages. This is the hosting part. I click Source. Whatever is in the master branch, save, that will be hosted on the live web. I have to scroll back down, and I'm going to copy the web address for the live hosted version. I'll copy that link so I can paste it into the file. I'm going to go back to the repository. There's that one file. It's a readme.md file. I'm going to click on it, go over to the pencil symbol to edit this file, and now I'm editing the code. I'm going to type in the link to the live site and paste that, and I'm going to return a couple lines. And here I'm going to insert, you're typing in Markdown. It's a very simple computer code. It looks like just plain language, and I'm going to write a sentence here about exploring the data story that I want to paste in here. So I'm going to go over to my Google Sheet. This is a chart I've already created, and I'm going to go down and right-click and publish the chart. So I have to go to the Embed tab and click Publish. And I have to confirm that I'm going to make that chart live on the web, and I'm copying now this iFrame code. These are the instructions for that interactive chart to be appearing on the web. I'm pasting that iFrame right here inside my README file. And see, it begins with the word iFrame, ends with the word iFrame. In the middle is the instructions for how to make that web page appear. I have to scroll down and commit the changes. It's like saving changes. And now I can right-click on that link to the live hosted version. I'll do that so it opens in a new tab. Now this is the part you've got to be patient here. Right away, the first time you may do this, it may not appear. This may take up to 1 minute, so hit the refresh button, and here it comes. There is my website with an interactive chart inside of it. A very simple website. We'll do more complex ones with later in other GitHub lessons.